Welcome back, guys. So now you've got the skill. How do you then make money? So we have a lot of platforms you can start getting on, but you need to build your portfolio. What are portfolios? Portfolios are the past work you've done. To make money, you need a good portfolio. Aside from a good portfolio, you need something to back it up. So we have a lot of platforms you can actually make money from. We have freelancing platforms. You all know what freelancing is. So through freelancing, you can work remotely. You don't have to go anywhere. So freelancing is a form of self-employment where individuals offer their skills and expertise to clients on a project or contract basis rather than being traditional employees. Yes, it's as simple as that. It is a flexible work style that allows professionals to choose their own projects, set their own rates, and work independently from the constraints of a regular job. Yeah, freelancing. So I'm going to introduce you to some freelancing platforms you could try out. So we have Upwork. Yes, we have Upwork. So you check it out and start looking for social media rules. So we have Upwork. Aside from Upwork, we have Fiverr. Yes, we have Upwork. We have Fiverr. I'll just introduce you to a few. We have Fiverr and we have Contra. So let's go through this. So we have Contra, we have Upwork, we have Fiverr, which are perfect. So all I have to do is to start with Upwork. So come to Upwork and serve your role as a social media manager. You come to Fiverr as well. Then you come to Contra as well. Yes, it's as good as that. So we have Upwork, we have Fiverr, we have Contra. Yes, so you check out these platforms, then you can start looking for similar profile, how to optimize your page, how to sign up for yourself. You could start doing all that, and you could search for skills you want. So let's say you want to start being a social media manager, search for related skill on this platform. So we are going to have social media manager, and what sets you apart as a social media manager is your marketing skill, because everyone can actually manage their social media pages. But what would they need you for? Because of your own marketing skill. So we have all these. We found thousands of top rated social media marketing pros. So let's check some of the pros on Upwork that are into social media marketing. How soon do you need help? So I will say no rush. Yeah. Does talent location matter? Anywhere in the world? Yes. Do you have a budget in mind, hourly or fixed price? Let's say a fixed price of $500. Yes. Any job details to share? We'll search for talents who have relevant experience. So you're going to have it described as you want. So you could input looking for a social media manager, looking for a social media manager. That is what the person that wants to hire you. These are the details they will fill. So looking from it from this perspective, you will understand how Upwork works. So I'm going to next this, and it's going to process the job details. Any specific role you want is social media management, social media content creation, Instagram. So you could just have them social media content, Facebook, Instagram story, find, finish, and view talent. Then when you click on this, you'll see different people that are into social media marketing. As you could see, this is a 4.4 rating, and this person has finished 226. This person has 226 rating, and it amounts to 4.4. That's what it literally means. And as you can see, we have different skills greatly matched. So if you want to be a freelancer, this is something that will be shown to people. Something like this will be shown to people that wants to hire you. So you have to optimize your profile for something like this. And when you start taking jobs, you're going to have your ratings. Your ratings would look this good. Yeah, so it's as easy as that. So you have to do, you can look for those that are available now, and you get to sign up, or you get to check some of these profiles and see what they are all about. So all you have to still do is to sign up on Upwork to continue with that. So you can learn more about Upwork. You could go to a different website to learn about Upwork. Upwork has a tutorial as well. So you could just look for Upwork tutorials online, then learn how to go about using Upwork to find a job for yourself as a social media manager. As you would see, we have some YouTube videos, we have resources from Upwork itself, so you can check those out as well. Same thing, same process goes to Fiverr. All you have to do is to look for similar profile of what you want to do. So you could just look for a similar profile of social media manager, and all I have to do is to search for that. Then you will see people offering those services, as you can see from here, and we have all this. So that is Fiverr for you, and you could check out people's profile. So we have different profiles right here, and you see their rates from certain amounts to certain amounts. So these are their rates, and it looks good so far. So you could just choose to check out what people are all about. So I'll be your expert social media marketing manager. You could check it out, and this is one of the experts on Fiverr. As you can see, this person has 4.8 ratings in social media management and marketing, and this person had 41 reviews so far. You could just see more about the person, look at how their profile has been optimized, check out their services. Could you do all this? Could you research for hashtag? Could you do audience engagement and all that? So why choose me? So you see a well optimized profile. All you have to do is to go ahead to sign in or join to have access to start doing jobs like this and having your profile set up. So you could learn more about Fiverr as well, just the same way I opened for Upwork, where you could learn about Upwork and see how to optimize your profile for Upwork. Yes, is as simple as that. So we're going to have, aside from Upwork, aside from Fiverr, this is Contra as well. So we have Contra, and same as Contra, you're going to look for social media management. Just look at your profile and look at the demand on Upwork, on Fiverr, on Contra. So these are people that are into social media management. Look at a Contra profile, and you could see it's brought out something like this. So you could just check out their profile, and here we are. So we have some featured work, we have services. So this is a full-time freelancing kind of stuff. You need to learn more about freelancing, and so far so good. I've been able to expose you to little you could know, so you could actually get jobs as a freelancer. Just learn about freelancing and you're good to go, or you can navigate this yourself and check out other resources, just short resources that could push you through on how to go about this. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.